Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jerry. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'll be making some teriyaki chicken wrap. Quick, simple and easy recipe. You can prepare it for lunch or dinner. It is very lightweight, but it is very filling. So continue watching, guys, and let's prepare this teriyaki chicken wrap. So I'm using some chicken breast, which is already cleaned with lime and vinegar, and as you can see, I'm dicing them into cube size shapes. Then I'm going to add my seasonings. So now I'm adding some red pepper flakes to give it that zing. Then I'm adding some seasoning salt. I'm also adding some paprika to give it a nice color. I'm also adding some Italian seasoning just to enhance the taste. Also some all-purpose seasoning. Also some chicken seasoning. Then I'm going in with some onion powder, my black pepper. Then I'm adding some garlic powder, some Old Bay seasoning for taste, some complete seasoning, and a little bit of cornstarch for thickening. Then I'm going to combine all the seasonings. So now I'm going in with a little bit of teriyaki sauce. And I'm also adding a small amount of fajita sauce. So now I'm going in with a little bit of soy sauce. I'm also adding a small amount of sesame seed oil. Then I am going to combine everything and allow it to marinate for roughly 15 minutes. So for flavor, I'm going to add some garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. So after adding my natural seasonings, I'm going to cover and let it sit and marinate for another 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to prepare some onions and sweet peppers to add flavor to my teriyaki chicken. So now it's time to prepare the chicken, and in my skillet I'm adding a small amount of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to stir fry my chicken. So I'm adding some butter for moisture, and I'm also going to add some soy sauce for flavor and some honey for taste. So now I'm going in with my onions and green peppers for flavor and crunch. Last but not least, I'm chopping some lettuce for my toppings, and you can also add whatever vegetables of your choice, but for me I'm just adding some lettuce. And as for my tortilla wraps, I'm basically going to heat them up in my frying pan. You can also heat them up in the microwave, but as for me, I like the texture from heating it in the frying pan. So basically, I just heat them for like 15 seconds on each side. So guys, this is basically how I prepare my teriyaki chicken wrap. If you've made it this far, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And I will see you all on my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye. Peace out.